The $500 a day postcard system. Thank you for watching this short video. You are going to learn how one agent makes $500 a day. Using postcards, widow leads, and a follow-up phone call. Sells everything over the phone. Stay to the end, and you will learn how one agent made over $250,000 in commissions this year. Make sure you hit the subscription button for more strategies. I'm Russ Jones, known as the Leads Junkie. He mails out 75 to 100 pink postcards per week to a list of widows offering a free peace of mind kit. He uses the phone to contact the people who receive the postcard and use a powerful phone script. His phone script is simple. He offers a free quote for $10,000 in final expense insurance and offers to send them the peace of mind kit. He takes all the people who give him their email address and drops them into an autoresponder that drips on them with 10 emotional videos about insurance. He overcomes most objections and usually has a 65% opportunity to give a quote. He calls for 3 to 4 hours a day and averages 2 sales for every 10 to 13 people he actually talks to on the phone. He does get a lot of voicemail, so he leaves a powerful voicemail and gives out his quote engine landing age. Average sale is $400 per policy. He offers to either email the peace of mind kit or he offers to hand delivery the kit. Check out my special report on how I wrote 2,500 final expense plans in 10 years and did $1,289,000 in commissions. Go to www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com. Hit the subscription button.